I've been building this app for quite a while now, and I thought I'd finally share it with the world and put it out, you know what I'm saying? So the app is basically called BeatVid, and basically it's a tool that allows you to automatically make type beat videos. So whether you're a producer or a creator or whatever type, you know those type videos you see on YouTube and things like people freestyle to or make music to, those type of videos, be able to make those really quick, really fast, and you be able to be more consistent. Because at the end of the day, that producer game, that music game, is all about consistency. So if you're uploading beats to YouTube, you know that process is kind of annoying. You have to open up the video editor, pick the visual, pick the audio, align the visual and audio together, figure out how to export it at the highest quality, and then actually export it. Then you have to come up with a title and description, and all of this, these little itty bitty tasks adds up, and it can be quite tedious, which is the reason why I made this app. The idea behind BeatVid was to make the process way faster. So simply, BeatVid is basically a desktop app that does all that. It lets you generate beat videos automatically. So all you gotta do is drag and drop your visual, drag and drop your audio, put in minor details to create a title. So you know those titles where it says like, you know, this artist type beat produced by blah, blah, blah. You know, that would be it. You know, the app takes all type of visuals, whether it's a GIF, whether it's a picture, a JPEG or PNG or an MP4, whatever visual you can think of, it kind of takes. And same thing with the audio, either an MP3 or WAV. The goal here is just to make uploading beats faster for producers. And to be honest, now producers are not the only audience that can really use this app, you know what I'm saying? Whether you're just creating stationary video with audio in the background and don't want to deal with all the video editing fluff that, you know, these video editing softwares have, this is a app for you. But one reason I wanted to build this is because I've been involved in music for a long time. And I know that many little repetitive tasks kind of kills your creative momentum. Trust me, I know. You know, making beats is one thing, and then making a beat video to post on YouTube every day is another. You know what I'm saying? That's a whole nother job. I thought it would be interesting if I can kind of like automate that, you know what I'm saying? Make it more easier so you can focus on the music more, you know what I'm saying? And that's quite what I did, you know, with my background being a software engineer. It was challenging at first, but I got through it, got some good feedback from beta testers, and now you guys get the chance to see this. So now I'll show you how this app really works. I made it so it'll be really simple that anybody can use, and it won't be too complicated, just like those editing video softwares. So you just click create render, which is this create a video. You know, you choose a random visual. Once you have your visual, then you'll choose your audio. Once you choose your audio, you have the option to create a title and generate it or not. So why not? We just go ahead and generate the title. We can do a Drake type beat just for now. And then the producer name, which will be jaykleezie in my instance. And then once you have that title, you see that's the title right there. Then we can have the option to add our branding logo. So like our, you know, logo, whatever, which I already added there. We can go ahead and remove it. Add your logo, it should show up right here once it finishes uploading. Just like that. Then all you have to do is just start render, and it'll start creating a video. So while the video creates, you can create even more, and you can keep track of the videos up here in the render status. So yeah, we can just choose a future GIF. Then we can choose an audio, just like that. Go ahead and generate the title. You can put future right there. We can make this a paid beat. And then we can do our producer name right there. Our logo is already added. If your logo is not added, you can just press choose file and then add your logo and press save logo right there, and then it'll be there forever. Let's start this render as well. Once it's done, all your renders and everything will be in this library. And then you have your basic information if you want to learn more about it. So this is all the formats that it takes, and more information, on how it works and what the rendering settings are automatically set to and things like that. And you have some FAQs right here. And yeah, it's a really simple app, but this allows you to stay consistent, and that's the name of the game here. It's staying consistent in the game and not having to worry about all the tedious tasks that we used to worry about before we have automation things, you know what I'm saying? So I feel like this will save a ton of time, a ton of mind resources, mind space, you know what I'm saying? We can only deal with so much information, every day. Free up some of that space for something important. So after working on this for so long, BeatVid is finally here. I honestly have no idea how it's going to go, but I have high hopes. It's helped me save time, so I know it can help somebody save time, and that's all that matters. So if you like what you see, if you want to try it out, the link in the description will take you to the site where you can purchase it. Feedback is much appreciated. You know what I'm saying? I really want to hear back from the audience and what to improve on and how it's helped you and things like that. So be sure to email me, DM me or whatever. Don't be afraid to talk. With that being said, I appreciate you watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.